'Tis the season for Christmas parties, and I have a great appetizer to show you today. This is very easy, and it uses frozen meatballs. So I have a 3-pound bag of frozen meatballs. I've chosen beef, I prefer that, and I find that my customers prefer beef, but you can use chicken or turkey or pork, whatever you'd like. And it's just a few ingredients. So what I have is a bottle of sweet and sour sauce. Ultimately, you want about 1.5 cups of sweet and sour sauce. Every one I looked at was a different size, different ounce size, but about a bottle. This one is 14.8 ounces. So anyway, like I said, just figure about 1.5 cups. To that, I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, and I've packed it. And 1/3 cup of pineapple juice. These are the best cans to use if you want to have like pineapple juice for anything where you just need a little bit instead of buying a big can. Keep a 6-pack of these in your pantry. So I have 1/3 cup pineapple juice, and then I need to add 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. And the ginger really sets the dish off. So it's super simple. Just want to mix everything and make sure that the brown sugar is dissolved in the sweet and sour sauce. My oven is preheating at 350 degrees. And what makes these meatballs so tasty is that they're going to go in the oven for a little over an hour. You want the sauce to really bake into the meatballs. If you would like to use a crock pot, this is a great time to put it in your crock pot. Put it on low for, I would say, actually 3 or 4 hours. You want to see the juice be absorbed into the meatballs and see them turn to a dark brown. So I have a baking dish. Just going to pour these in. Try not to make a mess. And I want to get all of the juice in. Be sure to wipe the edges if you spill any, because if not, it will burn on your baking dish. I'm going to pop a lid on top and pop them in a 350-degree oven. In an hour and 15 minutes, I'll be back. An hour and 15 minutes later, and the meatballs are done. You can see how the color has changed because they've absorbed all of the sauce. I just want to garnish with a little bit of chopped Italian parsley. And ready to try one. These guys are hot. They're delicious and tender. You can really taste the flavor of the sweet and sour sauce and just that little bit of hint of ginger. Hope you'll try these for your friends and family. Merry Christmas.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbycovington.com.